By midday, the day following the crash, Gordon Drive, south of Cook, remained closed as investigators poured over the scene. Initially, it was sad enough to hear in the community that 3 people died in this single vehicle crash, but sadder still when people learned they were students, all 3 from KSS.
Yeah, it's a tragic day. It's very difficult for the students and staff in our district, but particularly at Kelowna Senior Secondary. Our thoughts, first of all, of course, go out to the families of students involved in the accident, and our hearts go out to them, compassion, and anything we can do to support them through this tragedy.
What can the school district do at this point to try to help the school community get through this?
Well, we have a critical incident response team that's trained to deal with these types of incidents, and they were activated early this morning and have been at the school all day and will be there until they're not needed, and they provide supports, counseling to students and staff as they begin to process the grief that they're experiencing because of this tragedy.
With the contacts that you've had with people at the school, is there any way that you can describe to us the level of sort of collective grief that this school is dealing with?
Yeah, it's significant. The students and staff are in shock, all the stages of grief that you get, and then they're coming together to try and support each other, and again with the support of our critical incidents response team.
And you can confirm for us that the 3 students are all graduating students?
Yes, the 3 students are in grade 12, and that again is another reason why it's so tragic.
Anything else that I should have asked you about that people should be thinking about right now?
Well, we just want to make sure we give the families time and space to grieve, and we want to make sure that our community can pull together and get through this as they finish a very difficult year.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks.